Hi guys, and welcome to my channel where today I'm unboxing. I have mentioned before about being part of swaps. Well, this comes from a Facebook group that I'm in. I encourage you guys, if you have Facebook and you are interested, to go over and check out Junk Journaling for Everyone. They're a great bunch of people and they deserve a bunch more great people, so hop on over there. They do a lot of swaps, well, not a lot of swaps, but they do swaps, tutorials. They're a great bunch of people to get to know. So, I received my 50 item swap today, and I did quickly peek. I opened this to find this beautiful, beautiful journal page. It's a pocket. It says, "Thanks so much for being my swap partner. I truly enjoyed preparing this package for you. I hope you have fun unpacking it. If anything doesn't work for you, please feel free to pass it on," with some beautiful paper. And Sandra, I love it. And so there's some beautiful stuff in here. And there's beautiful stuff in here. Just a note. Different colors. Look at the boat. Sailboat. Now this box is loaded, so I'm going to go through it somewhat quickly, but it's funny. I have this paper, and I never thought of darkening it. I have to show you, Sandra. Mine's bright, bright, bright. So anyhow, I always keep my tissue paper because you know you're going to need it. And this is even beautiful tissue paper. So this was a beautiful envelope too. So if you're new to junk journaling, you'll soon find out you keep everything. Oh my goodness, old clocks, gasoline pump. These are antiques. Antique automotive collectibles. So cool. Old bubblegum machine. Look at that. Today is a new beginning. That's a sticky note on a note. Look at the beautiful tulips. A reminder. Just a reminder. Only one reminder per sheet. How cool is that? I'll probably dye that. And then isn't this beautiful? Joy is in things. It isn't in us. Oh, look at this. I wonder if Sandra, did you paint this? Because these are gorgeous. I wonder if she did that herself. I bet you she did. Okay, so. Oh, graph paper. Oh, look! Now this is a hoot. Because if you guys watched my other journals, although I have that one. And I have that one. Going out in my... I almost bought this one. This one's beautiful. Look at this. That I've never seen. And how beautiful that is. But I bought those to go in my sale this weekend. But that is okay because they are something I'm going to use a lot. A ledger sheet. Doilies. This one's this one's been stained. Pretty, 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 pretty. And then... Ooh, ooh, ooh. More and more goodness. This is a placemat, a paper placemat, which is just gorgeous. These look like apples. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And then, wow. Look at this. So pretty. I've never seen these either. Ever. This is the kind of the cool thing about trading. You get stuff you don't have. Look at that. I bet you that came out of an old newspaper or an old book. So you get things you don't have, and you get to give things, maybe the other person. Oh my God, I don't believe it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so oh look, Arabic. Some old book pages. Some Chinese. Some other old book pages. But look at this. Who would have guessed Okay, I'm going to just say it here. I've never in my life seen this. I've never seen a die-cut paper bag. I've never seen that. Some dictionaries, some music, some Arabic, some words. Looks like French. Yes, this looks like French. Yes, that is French. Look at this. I've never had one of these either. Wow, the star. 1944. Unbelievable. I've never had one of those. Look. Phone book pages. I've never had phone book pages. Nice. Okay, this is from a railroad. Reporting marks. There is some really cool stuff in this kit, Sandra. Some ledger. And I never have enough ledger paper. That's awesome. Some yellow ledger pricing sheets. Wow. I'm pretty lucky. Look at the birds. Oh, this is from Edith Holden. How nice is that? More music. Look at the wolf. Denizens of the dark. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. Sensational senses. Seeing, touching, smelling, and hearing. Oh, look at the bee. Look at the bee. And then some flowers. Some graph paper. Some different kind of graph paper. Oh my gosh. Some vellum. Some Mother Goose rhymes. Old Mother Goose rhymes. Look at this mandolin. These are going to make beautiful book pages. Wow. Oh, look. You can put words on these or make book plates out of these. Pull back and forth along perforate. They're already perforated. Here's some beautiful pages. Some more beautiful pages. And we're back to the envelope. Next up. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, I love that plastic too. It's got a nice front on it. Oh, look at this. Look. I would love to know where everybody finds these. I found some nice greenery. I found some on eBay. And I'll show those to you at another time. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? For my bohemian. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Look at the little tiny doily. I got pearls I'm going to put in the middle of that. Look at this. And so I've got a bohemian journal coming up. You guys are going to look at the yo-yo. Yo-yo. I know they're called yo-yo something buttons, like yo-yo buttons. And then here's some blue tulle. I bet you this was like a part of a sleeve. Look how fancy. And then here's another one of these. This came from a sweater. So I'll sew around it and let it unravel. It's another one. It's a pretty lace. Look at this. She stamped this on there. So it's pretty. And I had some of these, but tiny, tiny, tiny. I think I showed you the journal there on. Here's the white one. Beautiful. See, I don't have this. I didn't have this size. Here's another tiny, tiny, tiny little doily. So precious. And then this one says lavender. So again, I'll go and sew around it so it doesn't unravel. And look at this beautiful flower. Somebody took a lot of time to make this. Unbelievable. Well, that is beautiful. Let me take my beautiful bracelet off. And I think what I'm going to do is roll these up so I don't lose them. Put them back in here. Set those to the side. Okay, I'm just going to grab. Come on, get a couple of things. Look at this. And we're not done. There's still more things in there. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Blessed I am. Blessed I am. God, Sandra. Oh, look at this. Would you look? See, I have some things like this, but I don't find anything this beautiful. I mean, I find some okay stuff, but nothing like this. Wow. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like velvet on one side and satin on the other. Oh, look at this. This is just amazing. The little blue hearts. Can you guys see them? And they're satiny, shiny. Wow. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Sandra. I am just so... well, this is just beautiful. I hope you like yours. I hope. So that's all really nice trim. Look at this beautiful piece of lace. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And then I have, this is some kind of a off-white lace. And some more kind of a yellow. Yeah, kind of a yellow and an off-white. And there's some in there with gold. I don't want to take it all apart right now. I want to kind of save it and use it. I don't know what I'm going to find in here, but I guarantee you it's going to be beautiful. Here's a beautiful altered paper clip. Everything that is happening now is happening for the for my ultimate good. Beautiful playing card. Look! Oh my goodness. Here is a Kodachrome transparency. And this appears, it might be hard, this is two kids or two young people hanging upside down on the monkey bars. Here's some little, oh, these are like stickers, but they're not just stickers. They're kind of, they have a little texture to them. They're really cool. Look at this. Oh, a specimen card. You know, I'm going to be using that. Here is some flashcards. A library card. Oh, wow. You know, funny you sent these to me. I saw videos on these, on how to decorate those. That was really cool. Ooh, 20 shares. And then, y'all remember these. This is Winnie the Pooh. Oh. If I ever see one of those again, I think I'm going to get it. And then I'll save it for when people send me these, and I'm going to look at it. Viewmasters. That's what it was. Just trying to think of the word. Viewmaster. I don't think that fit in there. How did she get that in there? I know it. Most of this fit. So anyhow, this is like Christmas. No, actually, well, this is like the Christmas I wished I had gotten when I was a kid. Yeah, this is everybody's dream for Christmas. I gotta watch the time. We're already at 14 minutes and I haven't even finished. And I don't want to rush. Look at a butterfly. It's nice. Oh my goodness, this is all lace. The eyelash trim. And then some more sari. Looks like sari silk. I'm going to guess it's sari silk. How cool is that in this beautiful, beautiful handmade envelope? Wonderful. Okay, so then this. Like I said, we still have, oh my gosh, guys, we still have a lot to go. God, and this beautiful string. Y'all don't know how happy I feel. And after the start of my week, this is a dream come true. I had a very rough Monday. So she's absolutely loaded everything. Easter greetings, more playing cards. Oh, and I had none of these. No Rolodex cards. And then I just love glassine. And then what do we have here? I think these are stamps. I'm pretty sure they're stamps, guys. Let me see. Oh, I love that noise. I love that noise. Tickets. Tickets and ephemera. Little mushrooms. Some words. Just little cards. Little cards. Really little cool ticket ephemera type cards. Okay, so we're getting through this bag. Or this box, excuse me. And everything is usable. Every single part of this is usable. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at these. Acorns and leaves and pumpkins and owls. A corn on the cob for fall. Orange lace. Oh my God, you outdid yourself, lady. Look at the beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, and you know, there's more in here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I cannot fussy cut like that. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. You know what, Sandra? You have some amazing stuff, lady. Amazing stuff. I cannot believe it. So, this is all going to be put to good use. All of it. Look at this. Everything. I mean, look at that envelope. Woo! And the card. Oh my God. Ticket. Official timetable. Oh, look at this. I have something for those too, but look at all of this beautiful, beautiful usable stuff. Holy cow. Woo! Woo, guys. Amazing. And there's more. There's more. Oh, she outdid herself and 5 other people. Look at this envelope. Monopoly money. And there's some. See, now I sent her some string beautiful to that heart. Oh, that. See, I sent her some of this. I don't have. This is old Monopoly money that I did not have. Did not have. Little ladybug on here. Look at these beautiful cards. Tickets. A basket. Paperclip basket and tickets. Oh my God. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Okay. You guys thought I was kidding. There's more. Look at this. This is loaded. Look, it's loaded. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop this because we're at 18 minutes. I'm going to stop this and I'm going to have not 1, but 2. Be right back.